I will not be afraid of egg fried rice. Egg fried rice will have no control. Here's how to make egg fried rice for Uncle Roger. Step number 1, don't pay 8 quid for egg fried rice. Oh my god, is $14?
What she say?
No. Step 2, wash your rice. We're gonna wash the rice because we don't want stinky rice.
Man, that rice smells weird.
You know what? Step 3, use your finger to measure the water. Unlike Uncle Roger, I have 2 lines on my finger. I'm just gonna go with the first one. I don't know if this is too much water. We'll find out. I'm gonna add the water until it reaches the first line of my
Finger.
I think I just ended up going to the second line, but that's okay. I'm gonna cook this for 15 minutes. And then we'll see if this finger method works in the first place. Step 5, don't drain the rice.
Use that.
No.
You sure? Your rice is gonna be okay.
I don't know if it's done yet.
If you look at it, it's like shaking a little bit. It's bubbling.
This is why we should get a rice cooker.
Do we have any room for anything? I mean, I guess we have all this.
This is where I sleep. I have successfully made rice. Oh, so fluffy.
Damn.
Not gummy at all.
That might be the best rice
I think
ever
so.
made in the history of the planet.
I agree. I do have to say, I think the finger method does work. Step 6, don't be afraid of egg fried rice.
Why do you have that thing on your head?
I will not be afraid of egg fried rice.
Okay, listen, just stop yelling. We have neighbors.
Egg fried rice will have no control. Add oil. Cook egg. Egg! Remove egg. Add garlic. Add ginger. And the white part of a green onion. Add vegetables. Soy sauce. Black pepper. Mixity mix. Add rice. Mixing the rice. Step 7. Use MSG.
Is your neck okay?
I'm gonna add my MSG.
That's salt. What's wrong?
I don't have MSG.
What's MSG?
Sorry, we have a dummy right here who doesn't know what MSG is. Uncle Roger, I'm sorry.
Failure.
Who's Uncle Rod?
Our eggs and sesame oil. And then finally our green onions. And then step 7, don't use a metal spoon.
Why not?
Because I scoop out our fried rice with
What's she doing?
spatula because Uncle Roger will be proud. And there you have it. The amazing, easy egg fried rice that does not cost $14. I have a confession. I've never made fried rice before. And this is amazing.
Pretty impressive, I give you that.
You should make it too.
I want to try.
Yeah. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs like, and you have to do that because the YouTube algorithm pays attention to that and likes and just do it, okay? Thank you, bye.
Who's Uncle Rod? Maria. Please subscribe.